Hi everyone, this is Sequoia and I'm here today to do an unboxing video for the Fab Click fabric shop. And what I'm getting today is I just received the April subscription box in the mail. It's called the Solid Essentials Bundle. And what it is it comes directly to your house. It's a monthly subscription. It will always be 3 yards of fabric. It can either be 1, 2, or 3 colors of fabric. It changes every month. You never know what you're getting. You get 3 1-yard cuts. You could get 1 2-yard cut and a 1 yard coordinating fabric. They mix it up. It's always a surprise. It's always exciting. So let's check out what the April subscribers are going to be receiving. I've already cut my package open. So I already know that it is this fantastic cantaloupe colored rib knit. And I don't really know that this is called cantaloupe, but I'm calling it cantaloupe because this color is fabulous. And as a compliment, white rib knit. Super duper soft. Both ones very soft, very beautiful. Excellent. Rib knit is just really excellent fabric. Has wonderful drape, great recovery. If I can find an end, I'm going to show you the stretch. It's a 4-way stretch. There we go. So horizontally, wonderful stretch. Your vertical stretch is really nice. Great recovery, nothing is distorted. I can't even tell you how soft this is. This color is absolutely beautiful for spring. Both colors really, white or cantaloupe, as I'm renaming it, no matter what it's called. Rib knit fabric is really great for a lot of different garments. Shirts especially, dresses, high neck lines like a turtleneck or even a mock turtleneck. I'm already thinking about what I want to sew, and I'm really thinking about a beautiful spring cardigan out of my cantaloupe fabric, to maybe wear over like a white tank top or a tank dress. I just think these two are really beautiful together. They paired them well. I'm really excited to sew up this beautiful fabric from the Fab Click fabric shop, and I'm sure all the subscribers are really excited as well. So I can't wait to see what everyone's making for a little spring surprise. I will look forward to finding all on social media and seeing what everyone comes up with. So thanks for watching my video.